Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can apply for a Landbank salary loan. So first, you must be an employee of a partner agency and can apply by either contacting your HR department or visiting a Landbank branch. So eligible employees can also apply online or through the Landbank website, which is in here. And the requirements are you must be an employee of a government agency or a private company with a salary loan tie up with Landbank. So for new borrowers, you must be an existing borrower with at least 1 month paid amortization. So you might be wondering how you can apply. So first, you must contact your HR department. So just reach out to your office's human resource department to get the application process started. You can also visit Landbank branch. So you can also go to the nearest Landbank servicing branch to apply in person. And lastly is you can also apply through online. So you just have to go to the Landbank website or the online loan application facility, which is in here, and then log into your Landbank iAccess or mobile banking app account. And then you just have to follow the prompts to submit your e-salary loan application. So in here, you will see at the very bottom, you will see this apply now. So you just have to click on that one and then click on this, yes, I'd like to proceed to survey form. And then from there, you will be redirected to a page where you just have to submit all the forms and all the informations that are needed for you to apply for the e-salary loan. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!